Welcome to Soup Crafts. I am Soup, and today we're going to open my SBC FEST Crafty Haul from scrapbook.com. I'm pretty excited about this. I ordered the Ultimate Kit Bundle. Just pull out my packing list with all of this plastic. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to put the box down and just grab the stuff and bring it up here. Okay, this was a free gift with purchase. That'll come in handy. I got my I Love SBC Fest with the craft monster on it. So cute. I did order the scrapbook.com SBC Fest variety pack. I do think I have all this paper, but I didn't want to, I just wanted to be able to just pull in and not have to try to look for it and use what the instructors were using. Let's see. Oh, this is Flip the Penguin. This was an add-on to Simon Hurley's kit. This was free with purchase. Let's see. Six by 8 paper pad. These are very bright and cheerful colors, which I like. I like to use these kind of colors. Numbers. Good vibes. I like that. I like good vibes. Summer. Lots of cut aparts. I think we're repeating now. So it looks like there's 2 of each sheet in there. So there must be 12 designs. That's cool. Okay, and then I don't have any light gray, so I wanted to get some woof. So I got the stamp and the re-inker. Because they say that these foam pads, you go through your ink a lot quicker. Now, I have had some issues with some of these ink pads not being lined up right, so I just want to take a look. And this one is a little bit off in there, but it's still flat. I had some that were way up on the side, and so you can't really, I don't know, I mean, you can still use it like for ink blending, but it's harder to get an even stamp. Anyways. So there's that, and here are my class kits. Let's see, there should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see what we've got. This one is Simon Hurley's class kit. This is blank on the back, so that's kind of cool because if you wanted to, you could take some notes about the class. And then you have everything all together. So I really like that it's just blank on the back like that. So in the Simon Hurley class kit, we should have the polar bear die set. There's that. The Frozen Fractals 3D embossing folder. There's that. And it's a 3D and cut. The Frozen Fractals layered stencils. There's that. And then we've got the foam tape and the paste bundle and our large pouch. I'm excited to try out the paste and the foam. But I'm not going to use any of this stuff until the day of the class because I don't want to end up using it up. But I might try out the die set and the stencils and all that beforehand. Simon did a really cool technique with the stencil set that I definitely want to give a try. Okay. This one doesn't want to come unzipped. There we go. Okay, and this is the class for Jess Francisco. And it should have a little paws stencil. There's that. That's cute. A perfect pair die set. That's this one with the little kitties and the heart, which is a great Valentine's heart. It's like classic Valentine's. Bold Hello stamp set. Hello, hi, hey, with a lot of sub-sentiments. Oh, look, it says birthday boy and birthday girl on there. That's interesting. And then a 1-inch mint tape roll, which I've got like 1/4 inch, but I've never actually had the 1-inch before, so that's cool. Looking forward to playing with those. Next up, we have Brianna Estrella's class kit. This one has a 6x8 Primrose paper pad set. So we have that. This is very thick. It's got 40 sheets in it. We'll just flip through real quick. I'm not going to count all the sheets, but these look like they're single-sided, but they're not. Just this one is just, I guess, white on the back. Stripes. We got some polka dots and some florals. Some peachy color with a floral over the top. And then we have this green bows and green grid. Some green paper with some green stripes. And some black and white grid with some strawberries over the top of black. Some black with a floral over the top. Well, that's cool. I like the 6x8, I think. Okay, what's next? Leaf die set. Now, this is kind of why I wanted this one, because I like the leaf set. I know this is a scrapbooking class, and I don't really do much scrapbooking, so I don't usually get the scrapbooking kit. By usually, I mean just last year. That's the first year I've even gotten it, but... And then, alphabet dies. Typewriter alphabet die set. So it's got the smaller letters and the bigger letters. These are all very large letters. So, but I thought this would still work really well on cards. So, again, I'm not going to use the pattern paper before the class, but, well, actually on this one, I'm probably not going to do the class because it's a scrapbooking class. I'll still watch it and learn what I can. I just probably won't do the actual project that she's doing. So maybe I can use the paper on that one. We'll see. Okay, this is Laura Graff's class kit. And for hers, we should have a wildflower A2 paper pad. There's that. A lot of paper comes in these kits. And I'm not always very good at using up the paper. I need to start getting better about that. Because it really is some nice paper. So this is double-sided paper. It's got the red and then some red and darker red stripes. It's got a little floral, well, both floral plaid, and this one kind of looks like wallpaper to me. Then we've got some pink with some stripes, some orange with some floral, white flowers on orange, and then a lighter orange with another kind of wallpapery floral. Oh, this again looks like wallpaper to me. It's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. And then, oh, we've got, ooh, I like this stripe. That's really cool. And some checkered or gingham. I'm not sure if that's gingham or just checkered. And then we've got a floral and a dark green. Those are some great papers in there. Okay, next we should have a wildflower decorative die set. There's 36 pieces to this, and there's a sentiment, a couple of them. Hello, love you, and oh, just a note. And those are all separate. And then there is a Hello Wildflower stamp set. Let's see, that's this one. Goes along with that. I think the love you and the hello. Oh, okay, these, we'll cut these out, I think. I'm pretty sure. And then we have a wildflower coordinating die set. Is that this one? No, hello, yeah, Hello Wildflower coordinating die set. Hello Wildflower. Oh, this is the one that cuts these out. Okay. This is a standalone die set, and these two go together. Okay, got it. These look like they would work together though, but this one has its own right here. Okay, okay. But that's kind of cool. I wonder if you could cut this out and then layer that onto. I bet you can. We'll have to play with that. And then a wavy arched window frame die set. And there's that. All right, I can't wait to see what she's got planned for this set. Looks fun. It definitely looks fun. Okay, next up we have Christy Marcotte's class kit. And hers starts with Delight 6x8 paper pad. Now, I have the A2 size of this, the 4.5 by 5.5, because it came in my SBC kit from the last, not SBC, it came in my Scrapbook and Cards Today Delivered kit that I did in March. So I am a little bit familiar with this paper pad. Let's see if I can get this other one open. Okay, and in the SBC Fest, this was from Laura Graff's kit that had that. So it's got this butterfly and kind of a pink pink textile. And then we have the pink flowers and the kind of tealish colored background. And then there's this orange stripe with this pink with bugs on it. I'm over the bugs right now. Pink and kind of a teal color floral. And then this reminds me of a rocking chair that my sister got for Christmas one year. And orange. What is that called? Rattan? I don't think it's rattan. I don't remember. And this is orange and teal florals and pattern. Here's a purple with the orange pattern and this polka dot pattern. And then we've got some orange and some teal with pink. So those are nice. Okay, then we have a mini square grid plate die set. Let's see, that's this one. And it's got the squares and a rectangle. And I know her class is set up that you can make a number of cards. So, Hello Bloom stamp set. You can mix and match stems and florals. That's cool. And some butterflies and leaves. Sending a happy hello. And then we have the Hello Bloom stamp set. I don't think that this is the coordinating set, though they look very similar. I don't think this is... Yeah, I'm not sure that it cuts these out. I think this is a standalone die set. There's no hello or hi. But these are nice big sentiments in there. I don't know. We'll have to see if it cuts them out. Okay. So that's Christy Marcotte's kit. That should be loads of fun. These pouches are really nice, and I like that they actually packed them in the pouches. That's pretty cool. I didn't get the Ultimate Bundle last year, but the kits were not, they did not come inside of the pouches. The pouches came separately. Okay, Harlequin 3D embossing folder. So that's this one. Oh, this is Marisha Dean's class kit. And next is Hot Air Balloons die set. So there's that. That's pretty cool. 3 different sizes of hot air balloons. Nested Notched Arches die set. So there's that. And then Happy Thoughts Sentiments stamp set. So happy, and a lot of words that go with it. You're my happy, must be placed somewhere. Camper, happy camper. Today is a good day to be happy. I agree with that one, 1000%. So those are the class kits. I am really excited to get started crafting with those. Ooh, I could use this paper with some of them, couldn't I? Because this isn't related to a craft kit. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can come up with. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.